We all want to be liked. It's a natural human desire to seek acceptance and approval from those around us. We want people to enjoy our company and value our opinions. We strive to be seen as kind, considerate, and agreeable. But there's a hidden danger in being too nice, too agreeable, too eager to please. When we constantly put others' needs and opinions above our own, we risk losing our own voice. When we rush to answer, agree, or explain, we diminish our own value. Our eagerness to please can make us seem less confident and more insecure. We fall into the trap of eagerness, and it undermines the respect we crave. People may start to see us as pushovers, someone who can be easily swayed or taken advantage of. Think about a time you desperately wanted someone's approval. You might have felt a knot in your stomach, a sense of urgency to be liked. Maybe it was a job interview or a first date. These situations can make us overly eager to impress, leading us to act in ways that aren't true to ourselves. Did you find yourself nodding along excessively, agreeing with everything said, offering quick replies to fill any silence? We've all been there. This behavior can be exhausting and ultimately counterproductive. This eagerness to please can be misconstrued as a lack of confidence or, worse, desperation. It's important to find a balance, to be kind and considerate without losing our own sense of self. When we answer immediately, without taking a moment to process what's been said, we give the impression that we haven't actually heard or considered the other person's words. It's like we're more concerned with filling the silence than engaging in a genuine exchange. This type of quick response often stems from a place of insecurity. We fear that if we don't answer immediately, we'll appear slow, unintelligent, or disinterested, but the opposite is true. A well-placed pause, a moment of considered silence, can convey thoughtfulness, confidence, and self-assurance. This is where the 3-second rule comes in. It's deceptively simple, but incredibly powerful. Before you speak, take a breath and count to 3 silently. This brief pause allows you to collect your thoughts, consider your response, and project an aura of calm confidence. 3 seconds might seem like an eternity in a fast-paced conversation, but it's just the right amount of time to make a difference. It shows that you're not afraid of silence, that you value your own thoughts and opinions enough to take a moment to form them. Section 4. Commanding respect, body language, eye contact, and tone of voice. In this section, we will explore how these 3 elements can significantly impact the way you are perceived by others. The 3-second rule isn't just about pausing before you speak, it's about using that pause to your advantage. This brief moment allows you to gather your thoughts, project confidence, and set the tone for what you are about to say. During those 3 seconds, focus on your body language. Adjust your posture to appear more open and approachable. This can make a significant difference in how your message is received. Maintain eye contact, sit or stand up straight, and keep your movements controlled and deliberate. Eye contact helps to establish a connection with your audience, making them feel engaged and valued. Your voice also plays a crucial role. The tone, pitch, and pace of your speech can convey confidence and authority, or uncertainty and hesitation. When you do speak, speak clearly, confidently, and at a moderate pace. This ensures that your message is understood and taken seriously. Avoid rushing your words or letting your voice rise at the end of sentences, as this can make you sound unsure of yourself. Instead, practice speaking with a steady, even tone to project confidence and command respect. Section 5. Silence speaks volumes, real-life applications, and the power of the pause. Imagine this. You're in a job interview, and the interviewer asks you about a time you failed. It's a high-stakes moment, and your mind races to find the perfect response. The pressure is on, and every second feels like an eternity. Instead of panicking and blurting out the first thing that comes to mind, you take a breath, count to 3, and gather your thoughts. This brief pause allows you to organize your response, ensuring that you communicate effectively and thoughtfully. When you do answer, you speak calmly and confidently, demonstrating your ability to handle pressure. This not only impresses the interviewer but also shows that you are composed and capable of critical thinking under stress. Or picture yourself on a date. There's a lull in the conversation, and you feel that familiar urge to fill the silence with nervous chatter. The silence feels awkward and you worry that the other person might be losing interest, but instead you take a breath, make eye contact, and smile. This simple act of pausing can transform the moment. It shows that you are comfortable with yourself and with the other person, creating a deeper connection. The silence becomes comfortable, even intriguing, as you project an air of self-assurance and mystery. This can make the other person more interested in you, as they sense your confidence and poise. In both these scenarios, the 3-second rule helps you command respect by demonstrating your self-worth and control over the situation. It's a powerful technique that can be applied in various aspects of life, from professional settings to personal relationships. Remember, silence is not the enemy. It's a tool, a weapon even, in the art of commanding respect. Embracing silence can lead to more meaningful interactions and a stronger presence. Use it wisely, and you'll be amazed at the results. By mastering the power of the pause, you can navigate conversations with greater ease and confidence, leaving a lasting impression on those around you.